Alright then, 80% win rate strategy. Not going to waste any time, just going to show you what it is, and then I'm going to show you some trades I've taken. So, this is the strategy. Very, very simple. This is your price action here. Say, for example, this is the price that you're looking at. Every day I'll just go, it takes me like 5 seconds, and I post this in my private Discord down below where you can get signals, so go sign up. Basically just go and mark out all my, on the 5 minute for example, all the obvious swing lows. Really, really easy. And then as you can see, all I'll do is I'll just set alerts at these and wait for them to get hit. Once they come down and get hit like this, I'll be looking for inverted fair value gaps back to the upside with good momentum. As you can see, this is my mantra here, taught to me by my mentor Reliable. Bias, model, time and momentum. So as you can see, I'm waiting for lows to get hit, and then I'm looking for an inverted fair value gap. I'm looking for it to be in the macro typically, which will be very, very good and a high probability. And then I'm looking, as I said, for good momentum. And then my entry model is very simple. I'm looking for these 3 candle pattern V shapes, or 4. 4 candles are still good, but basically this is what you're looking for. So you create a fair value gap with 3 candles like this, where you basically create a gap in the market, and then if you've got a sweep of liquidity as well, followed by the inverse like this. Very high probability trades from these extremities of price. And then I'm just looking to target a 1-for-1. Once we hit a 1-for-1, I'll take half my position off. I risk $200 per trade per account. I've got like 30 accounts. 30 accounts now, excuse me. So I risk about $200 per trade. And then I'll basically take half off here for $100 bagged, and then leave runners up above like this through liquidity. And that's my model. It's really simple, really easy to follow, and you don't have to be on the charts all day, every day watching price. So as you can see in this example here, if we come down, we take liquidity, we inverse, say a 3 or a 5 minute gap to the upside with good momentum. 3 candle pattern V shape is best. Then I would just simply enter on this, risking about 200. The stop loss is a manual close about halfway between the low and the gap. So if we come down and do this, then I was obviously wrong about the trade, and I'll close it for a loss of about $200, sized for about down here. And then as you can see, say for example this trade wins, goes up, hits the first TP, I'll take 100 off here, go break even on the rest, and then I'll just have runners up through liquidity. The obvious liquidity here would be this high, and then up through, hold runners up through session liquidity above. And that's my strategy. It's really very simple, and I'm going to show you some trades that I've taken recently. There was a trade yesterday that would have worked that I didn't take because I was a bit distracted yesterday with some personal stuff. But we're looking for 3 candle pattern V shapes. So we've come down, we've swept this liquidity here, we've obviously come down really far into discount. You can see we've formed ourselves a little 5 minute gap here. This one isn't super obvious, but it is a 3 candle pattern V shape, as you can see. We've got ourselves 1, 2, 3 candles. We create the fair value gap, we come back and inverse it. So if I would have taken this, I would have entered here. As I've said to you before, what I'm looking for is major sweep of liquidity, in fair value gap here, inverse, 3 candle pattern V shape, good momentum back to the upside, holding, entering here as you can see, targeting a 1-for-1. This 1-for-1 would have got hit in the space of 10 minutes. I would have taken $100 off there, which is half my position. Would have took this with, like, what is this, 2 micros, maybe 3 micros if I was feeling frisky on this one, as you can see. So I would have come up, hit my 1-for-1 here, come back down. I would have been break even on the rest at this point, literally a tick from break even there, as you can see. And then it pumped again for like a 3-to-1, and I probably would have, once we got up to 3-to-1, started trailing the stop on the rest of it, and this would have been a, you know, $300-$400 win for me. So about a 2-to-1 if I'd have taken this. But I was basically not trading yesterday. We did have some really obvious trendline liquidity for shorts. I mean, this is the most obvious LR in terms of low resistance liquidity that you would ever see. This was obviously going to come and get hit. We had a pump off of NFP, a massive dump off of open, and then that 5 minute inverse would have been good, but I didn't take it sadly. So that was a good trade. There wasn't really that many great trades this week, I'm not going to lie, guys. This week has been pretty bad in terms of price action, and last week was even worse in terms of specifically my model. But if we look at Tuesday's open, there was a loss and a win here. I did actually take these, but I didn't alert them because I didn't think they were high probability trades. But as we can see here, again, what we're looking for, Tons of liquidity swept. Really, really obvious. We've got a 1 minute fair value gap here. I actually took this first one here, and you'll see this was a loss because we obviously, I'm sized for about halfway between the low and the gap. Trying to target a 1-for-1. We didn't hit the 1-for-1. We just rolled over straight away here, as you can see. Closed down here. I closed for about $200 loss on that. But then immediately afterwards, we got ourselves down here, which you can't actually see. But there was a 30-second entry, which was like this, which I decided to take. I haven't got the 30-second time frame at the moment, but I'm working on getting that. But as we can see, there was basically another entry here, 30-second like this, which I entered, and then this one actually won for me. Hit the 1-for-1 here, took half off, went break even, and then just held for that, basically the 9 AM high, which is a really obvious area to target. You can see that would have worked perfectly for 5-to-1. So I made about, what was it, $500-ish on this trade after losing 200 on the first. So overall, profitable for the day. Very nice. Very easy stuff. This is not rocket science. It's really easy to do this. And honestly, it took me like a few months to get my bearings with the strategy. I've been actually trading a similar form of this for about 2 years, but recently I've been actually augmenting my own personal strategy, which has been working really well for me, as you can see. But that worked really well as well. And then on Monday, I think there was a 1 minute, but it was pretty sketchy. Although I did take this, but again, I didn't alert this because I thought it was pretty bad. But you can see what we're looking for: a clear sweep of liquidity, a really bullish reaction, an inverse of a 1 minute fair value gap here, as we can see. Inverse of the 1 minute. Enter on the 1 minute inverse. I'm sized here for about $200 risk. I think I took this with 2 micros, and basically this went up and hit the 1-for-1. Took half off here, $100 profit, and then I think I started trading my stop on this because I wasn't sure how far we'd go. Got about $250 profit on the second micro. Got stopped trailing my stop loss up here after we hit this high, and that was it. This week, that's 3 winners and 1 loss, but I am obviously profitable overall, like $1,000 up, $200 down, so about $800 profit. Last week there were no trades because honestly the price action last week was really weird and awkward in general. Huge pump on Monday, Tuesday dump, Wednesday dump, Thursday dump, Friday we just kind of ground to the upside, but no real inverses to take at any of these sweeps. But the one that I always keep coming back to recently was this amazing trade on the 26th of January, which is a little while ago now, but this is what you want to be looking for with my strategy. You mark out your lows, you come into the session, right? I wake up, let's say, let me just do this on rewind mode so you can see. Let's say I wake up at about 8 o'clock London, because I'm obviously UK time. I mark out all these obvious swing lows. I'm thinking this area here is going to get potentially hit, yada yada yada. Just like I told you, I'll go down, mark all these lows like this. Really obvious areas to trade from, good extremities to trade from. And then if we wind this forward, you can see we're going to London Open and we get a really nice pullback all the way through these levels. We sweep this and I'm thinking, okay, we're going for this wick, which is really obvious. We smack this wick and then look at this reaction, perfect reaction. We've got a lovely 5-minute gap here that we can trade from. As I said, this is what I'm looking for. We'll come down, we swept the low, and then we're looking for good momentum back to the upside and an inverse, so we get our momentum and our model. You can see here as well, we're just coming into the macro, which is time. The macro is between 10 minutes before and 10 minutes after every hour. As you can see, we're coming into the macro, we've got the model, we've got the momentum, and we've got the bias here because we've swept the low. We're now neutral on our bias. Lovely pump back up to the upside here, as you can see. Great place for a reversal. So we've got everything that we want. We've got our liquidity sweep, 3-candle pattern V-shape. We've got model because we've inversed the 5-minute. Really nice. We've got time because we're just coming into the macro here of 10 AM for me. And then we've got really good momentum here. This is great momentum, and you can see the reaction here was very bullish. So I enter on the 1 minute, on the 5 minute for a 1-to-1. And then if we look here, we come up and hit this basically after about 20 minutes or so. Take half my position off here as always, $100 on the books. We don't have to worry too much here about price action. Coming back now, we've bagged some profit. I took this with about 4 micros, so I took 2 off here, and I've got 2 more runners. And then if you look here, you can see we started to move up a little bit, chopping over the lunch period, and then going into 12 AM. We have another pump to the upside. I'm trailing my first runner here for about a 3 or a 4 to 1. So about $200 profit. So I'm up about 300 overall down to my last runner. And then as you can see, I basically trailed my stop through open all the way up to this high for an incredible 8R or something on the final one. The final runner, I made about $700 or $800 per account on this trade. Absolutely incredible trade. This is definitely what you want to be looking for. Absolutely perfect. You've got your sweep, you've got your inverse, you've got your macro, and you've got good momentum. This trade was very likely to succeed, and as you can see, it worked incredibly well for me. And that is it, guys. It's not rocket science to trade this. Please do like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Check back for daily videos, and if you want to get alerts and signals for all the trades I take, get them down below in the description. Cheers.